take.
Good morning, wonderful people! Maligayang pagbabalik dito sa ating channel. Early bird si mami nyo today. It's around 6 o'clock in the morning. And as you can see, nandito ako ngayon sa bathroom, shower, ayan. Pinagsamantalahan ko ang chance na ang ating baby Celine ay nagpalapag sa kanyang bassinet. So agad-agad pumunta ako dito, naghilamos. So I just washed my face. Ayan, ang aking mata ay parang wakwak pa. Sobrang mapula pa. Kasi, again, we didn't have perfect sleep. And I'm not expecting it for a while, guys. Yung perfect sleep doesn't exist anymore. Kaya yun. And then I realized I'll take my camera and vlog because, I don't know, it makes me feel good. Actually, this is the first time na early in the morning I washed my face and, you know, I don't just put cream on my face and all. Kasi nga, our little girl is in the bassinet, natutulog. So, she's sleeping naman, no? But most of the time kasi, nasa bed. And Ate Paris is also in bed. So, I can't really leave the two of them together sa bed. Hindi ko sila maiwan-iwan. Kaya, but this time, kasi maaga si baby Celine kanina. And then, she slept on my arm. Tapos, nilapag ko siya sa bassinet. And she's still sleeping. So, that's why I'm here talking in front of you guys. Kaunting bagay lang, guys. Kaunting bagay na nagpapasaya sa puso ni mami nyo. And, yeah, so everyone is still asleep. And, I thought na kasi naghilamos ako, guys. And then, napag-isipan ko kasi tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nakaganito ba ako. Naka-mask. And, since I think maganda yung tulog ni baby Celine ngayon sa bassinet kasi the heater is on, so she's warm in there. I'll have time to, kasi itong mask na to, I think it's 15 to 20 minutes. You know what, you just do, you know, these little things, kahit sobrang liit lang mabagay mga ganito, guys, it makes a mom happy. I just appreciate these little things now, guys, na I'm a mother of two. Before, when it was just me, yeah, I have the luxury of time, but now, every millisecond counts. So stop talking Jovi and start doing what you gotta do. So let's do this soothing. Jeju Natural Aloe Mask. So ayan siya. So at least, pagkagising ni baby Celine, malinis na ang ating mukha, diba? Just to, you know, bath later, kung magka-time man. But, you know, change my clothes and that later on. I still have, you know, milk everywhere. Too much information. But that's the reality. That's mom life. Ayan. So I look like a zombie for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's just hope that baby Celine woke up within 20 minutes. Otherwise, we'll have to take it off a bit early. Ayan, o, diba? O, diba? Wak-wak na inyong mami. Oh my God, it feels so good. Okay. A few moments later. Hindi pa nga natapos ang aking mask, everyone. At narinig ko ito siyang umiiyak. Hello, Tabi-Tabi. Hello, Tabi-Tabi. So, I just changed her nappy. Ayan. And then, oh shush, it's time for her feed. Kaya, ay, bad timing si mami mo na. Tingnan mo guys, oh. Wala na kasi akong nakuha kanina, guys. Mabilisan ba? nilagay ko dyan. So, ito yung dressing gown ko. I made sure naman na nakatuck-in yan siya sa gilid. So, hindi makasuffocate. Ah, shush! So, when baby Celine goes to sleep, nilalagay ko siya dito sa sleeping bag niya na mukhang maliit na. Tingnan mo. Oh? Oh? Are you a big girl? Are you a big girl now, honey? Say hi to tita and tito. Good morning, everyone. Oh, shush! Big yun. Big yun. Big yun. Alam niyo guys, kahit malayo ako, kahit nasa isang room ako, dinig na dinig ko pa rin kahit isang ano lang niya ba. Ganun lang. Okay. Okay. Nagising namin ang daddy niya. So, dito yung daddy niya natutulog sa sala. Daddy, huwag kipanayan niyo, ha? Mama, we'll just go to the toilet quickly before we go have our Didi. Is that okay? Yes, Tabby? Is that okay? Yes, Mommy. Yes, Mommy. Peekaboo! Pika, pika, peekaboo! Ha? Yamaid bang kanak? Huwag ka ganahin, nak. Huwag ka ganahin. Woo, woo, woo. Look at me. Hello. Hello. Oh, mama. Tingnan niyo yung paa, guys. Oh. Meron ng guhot-guhot. Alright. Mama, just go to the kitchen. Nakapananggot na ang ating baby girl. So I just quickly took off the mask. It feels good. I don't think natapos ko ang 20 minutes, but close to 20 minutes. I'm happy with it. It's okay. It's okay, anak, no? And then, ito, nagdidemand na ng kanyang milk. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang mukha, ang kanyang mata, oh. Oh? Josh! Nak? Are you right there, Nak? Are you right there, Nak? Look who's awake. What do you say?
Hi.
Hi. Good?
Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
Kakalabas lang niya galing kwarto, guys. Ito, oh. Hinahawakan ko ang ating tabatingting. Oh, sige na, oh. Do you wanna see, baby Celine? Sabi niya gusto niya makita ang kanyang baby sister. Ika muna. Oh, sorry, anak. I'm sorry. What, anak?
I want to see her.
Do you want to see her? There you go. She already said good morning. What did you say? Good morning?
Good morning.
Baby? Sige. Oh, no. Put it back. Ate Paris will put it back. There you go.
Speaking.
Good girl, Ate Paris. Well done.
Hey.
Well done. Let's go in for a walk with Dada. Let's go in for a walk with Dada. You'll be a good girl, okay? Okay? Daddy is in a meeting actually guys. Yun yung sa trabaho. But while nasa meeting siya, nalalakad-lakad niya ang ating princess. Okay. Oh, put this on because it will keep your opaw warm. Okay, there you go. There you go. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Be a good girl for Daddy, okay?
Hindi ako na-stress kapag umalis sila na hindi umiiyak ang ating baby sila. Minsan pag umaalis sila na umiiyak, parang hindi ko alam yung nararamdaman ko. So that's them. Ate Paris is here. What are you having? What are you having? Show Tita and Tito what you're having, babe. Okay. Your vitamins.
Vitamins.
Yep. What is that?
Croissant.
Croissant. And what's the other one?
Milk.
Milk.
I love this one.
You do? Really?
They did remember you gave me one the day once.
Yeah, I gave you the other one. When was that? Yesterday?
It was the robot milk.
What is it now? That one. Is that robot still? Is that robot?
The robot. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why do you drink milk?
Because it can make me see?
What is it? It can make you?
Very big.
Really big? Big? Oh, so true. You're so tall now.
I'm magic. I'm milk.
Your hair na be? Wala gaponin na. Kuan na tanggal gaponin mong hair na. Okay. I'll put you to you shower after this, okay? Ano? You shower after this? Alright? Article. Mommy's talking to you. You shower after this?
Yeah, milk.
Okay. Time check tayo, peeps. It's now 11 o'clock in the morning and Paris just had a shower. See? Her hair was tangled before. So Mama fixed it. Yeah? Are you happy with it? Thumbs up? Nakabath na rin si Mami niyo. I didn't wash my hair, pero yung aking katawan ay niliguan.
Is it hair kind of okay?
Not quite, anak. It's still fine. Nagbihis ako. Ayan. And si Daddy Mike and Baby Celine, they are still... I don't tangle them, no. Kung saan na lang, no. Don't have time. Yes, Daddy Mike and Baby Celine, they are still walking. So we still have, I think, an hour to go. Thank you, Princess. So now, I'll just do a quick cleanup dito sa bahay, guys. Actually, yung main ko talaga is yung bedroom. Kasi sobrang messy na doon. But I'll start here sa ating lounge room. Kasi there's, you know, everything. See? Like, messy. Nakalabas to sila, guys. Because this one here, can you remember this beautiful handbag? Ayan. So, I used this bag nung last na check-up ni Baby Celine. Oh, di ba? Bongga naman ang bag ni Mami niyo sa check-up, oy. This is from Teddy Blake. So, a couple months ago, they were very generous to send me this beautiful handbag. And, yeah, up to date, I am still loving it. Unfortunately, when they sent this to me, nag-lockdown na dito sa Melbourne. And I wasn't able to use this one to work as much as I want to. But, yeah, pag may time ako, pag may chance talaga, I really use this bag because it is very beautiful and it's, you know, kailangan talaga siyang gamitin, guys. Deserve niyang gamitin, deserve niyang makita siya ng mga tao. Diba? Sobrang ganda niya. Diba? Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang cute ng kulay. Kaya nga ito yung pinili ko eh. Nakaka-girl lang siya. This is actually a genuine leather and you know it will last a lifetime, so I can hand it down to Paris or Celine one day. Ayan, super cute niya at sobrang maraming na ilalagay, guys. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. So you know, as a mother, right? So Teddy Blake handbags, they got a lot of mga variety ng sizes, ng mga leather, ganun. So, you just have to choose whatever suits your style. So, ito sa akin, I think this is the 11 inches. So, I'm a mother of 2, pero yung nilagay ko dito is for ano lang, Baby Celine. So, nappy, I can fit wipes here, and then extra clothes for Baby Celine. And I can still fit my wallet, my long wallet. Ayan. So, very functional tong bag na to, guys. Especially kasi meron siyang so, pwede din siyang hands-free lang. O, pagbitbit ko sa baby Celine. So, ganyan lang siya. Diba? Sobrang cute. Especially paired with white or black. Nagpa-pop up yung kanyang kulay. And Teddy Blake is actually hosting a New York Day sale from the 21st to the 26th of September. So, yeah, this would be the perfect time for you to check their website, guys. It's www.teddyblake.com, and I'll get all the details, all the information in the description box below. So make sure to check that out. And yeah, make sure to grab one of these handbag, guys. So even if you are single or double with kids or without kids, I think this will work. Kasi it's very versatile, guys. Do you like my handbag now?
Yeah.
Come here. You hold my handbag. One day, this will be yours. Oh. Wow. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you love pink?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want my little one because...
Yeah. Here's our little one. What's this, baby girl? Yung tatay niya at si Ate Paris, they went to the shop to get something. Ay, shush! Ayan, kakarating lang ng ating Uber Eats, guys. So, bumili ako ng soup. Yung Vietnamese soup ba? Tapos ito, payak-iyak man. Paano makakain si mommy nito, guys? Ha? Oh. Ito ang aking Uber Eats. Ayan. Bumili ako ng bumbuwe. Yes, anak! I got the noodles. And then yung sabaw niya ay nandito. Wala, sobrang init pa. Nandito yung kanyang sabaw. We'll have a bath first before you go to sleep. Say, hi, tita and tito. Hello. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Look at tita and tito. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello. Nag-ready na pala ako ng kanyang bath. But, at the same time, dumating yung pagkain ko. At ito siya sleepy. So, kailangan kong mag-decide kung ano yung gagawin ko ngayon. But I want her to have bath before matulog, guys. Para maganda yung tulog niya. Kasi diba, normally, kapag naligo ka before ka matulog, parang matagal yung parang deep yung sleep mo ba. So, that's what I wanna do. Isn't that right, honey? Hmm? There you go. Smile, not give tita and tita smile. Smile! No? No? So, nilapag ko muna, guys, kasi gusto kong kumain. Tingnan nyo, oh. Nak, mama will eat quickly, nak, ha? Really, really quick, anak. Tingnan nyo, nilagay ko na yung sabaw, eh. See, this is what I really like, guys. Ayan. So, yung, paahan ng baboy. Favorite. So, magmadala lang ako nito, guys. Kasi umiiyak naman. Kasi nakapupo. Kasi. Mama. Ay, shush. No crying. No crying. Ayan. Oh, wala nang boses. Lifesaver. Thank you, pacifier. I hope hindi niya spit out. No. Oh, yan. Nakakatulong talaga yan, guys. No, grabe. Hinanap ko pa. I'll just get her to use that one until I finish eating. Nakha. Stay there for a little bit, anak. Okay? Mama will just eat. Hilom na di, mama. Pagkauna kaya. Mahuman ka. Bilisan natin pagkain habang naka pa, pacifier pa. Hindi ko na narinig. Nakatulog na pala. Sabi ko naman kasi, very tired na talaga yung joke niya. Tsaka ko naman yan siya paliguan pagising niya. Anyways, yung aking pagkain, hindi ko maubos-ubos kasi sobrang dami. So maybe I can still have some of this in the afternoon, pang snacks or whatnot.
Hello, chickie chickie. He's not the chick.
Chiki-chiki. Ayan. Hello, hi, titang, tito na. Kay titang, tito na. Napaliguan na natin ang ating baby, Celine. Ayan, oh, fresh na. Feeling fresh na. Pwede na mag-didi and mag-sleep, ba? Do you love your butt, na? You love your butt? Show tita and tito your headband. Yeah, move here. Move here, so they'll see it. See? Move here. Move here a little bit more. See? Wow. Where's baby Celine's not, babe? Wala akong baby Celine. Where's baby Celine's headband?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Mikey, I don't know to put zero with Paris is zero.
You want SeaWorld? Paris SeaWorld?
Yes, that's what I just want.
You finishing?
Okay.
His tickle.
Okay.
My fish is tickling me. And let the tickle.
Are you tickling Ate Paris now?
Yeah, mommy.
Tubog pas na ninay.
Baby can't talk yet. I can play like baby.
And then finish at about 11 or 12.
Time check tayo. It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon. And as you can see, nandito tayo sa labas. Nilakad-lakad ko muna ang ating baby Celine kasi she was sleepy when I was holding her before. And napag-isipan ko na ilagay siya sa pram para may magawa tayo. Kasi kung sa bahay lang kami guys, always ko siyang hinahawakan kasi every time na ilapag ko siya, she's crying. Narinig ko yata siya ngayon. Ayan, so nilagay ko siya sa pram and I think nagising ko yata siya guys. Anyways, nilagay ko sa pram para makapaglakad-lakad kami for fresh air and also gusto kong mag-edit ng video natin ng vlog. So today wala akong na-upload kasi hindi ko natapos-tapos yung pag-edit. And then, pag ganito lang na time, ayan, nandito kami sa labas, natutulog siya sa pram. So, that's when I get time to do the editing. Hopefully, hindi siya iiyak para makaupo tayo doon sa park and matapos natin ang ating vlog para may upload tayo bukas. Hindi ko nasama ang ating Ate Paris kasi she is having a nap sa couch. Kaya yun, naiwan siya doon kay Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike nagtatrabaho. And nandito lang ako malapit sa sa bahay namin, guys, just in case na magising si Baby Paris soon. Then yeah, tawag ito, papunta kami doon sa 7-Eleven ba. Maglalakad kami papunta doon. That's the only way na parang makabanding kami sa labas ngayon, guys. Kasi nga, diba, we're still in lockdown. Wala pa rin kami nagagawa. So, walking outside is the only thing that we can do. Ang ating nilakad ay gising na gising. It's okay as long as hindi siya umiiyak. Nakachipon. Hala, takot na ng aso na to eh. Ang laki-laki na aso ng look. Oh my god. Ayan na. Sana hindi to siya umiyak, guys. Don't cry, Argentina, anak ha. Kasi na-start ko na ang ating vlog. Ayan o. Edit pa more. Ayaw, hilak na ka. Ang aso. Sobrang laki. 6 o'clock ng gabi. Gabi? Pero may araw pa. Hindi pa nagising si Ate Paris, kaya dumiretso na kami ni Baby Celine sa shops para bumili ng something na makakain kasi nagutom ko. So, sa Ate Paris, siguradong mag-ano yun. Mamaya sabihin niya bakit hindi siya sinama. But yeah. So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung binili ko, guys. Bumili ako ng fried rice from the Vietnamese store. Ayan. Love their fried rice. Although, hindi na to siya fresh ba? Kasi anong oras na? Kanina pa itong lunchtime siguro ginawa. But this one, Cool, sugar-free and healthy drink, coconut water. Ayan. And then, what else? Bumili ako ng coconut cake. Ayan. Actually, isang loaf talaga to siya, yung malaki. And sabi ko, hindi ko kasi makakain yun, matatapon lang. And she was very nice. Sabi niya, I'll cut, you know, a few pieces for you. So, ayan, 4, kinat niya. And then, I've got prawn crackers for snacks later on. But yeah, she cried once. Tapos, binalik ko lang yung pacifier niya. And then, she stopped crying. Sleeping na naman. And then, now that I stopped, ayan na naman siya. Ayun na talaga stop. Keep the motion going. We're gonna go home soon because magdidilim na. May wakwak na sa daan. Balbal. Ang buhay ng isang ina. Tingnan nyo. Product of Thailand. Kaya pala. First time ko makainom nito. I'll start walking na kasi I can feel her moving na. moving. Buti na lang maganda yung araw, hindi siya maginaw. So very comfortable maglakad. Pasensyahan nyo na ang aking hair, guys, ha? Parang walang may-ari ba? Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Kakadede lang ni Madam. Hi! Kumakain ako ng yung coconut cake. Kakadede lang niya and she's pushing already. Are you pushing na? Are you pushing, Baba girl? Tingnan nyo. Relax lang na. Ba? Living the life na. Living the life. Chin.
Mommy? I want this one.
What is that?
Chips.
That's not chips.
What's it?
Okay, nakalagibang na lagi.
What's the taste?
We have to eat dinner first.
Mom, what's the taste?
It's crackers.
Crackers.
Ano yung gaugot-ugot?
I just want some of this one.
Jimmy sauce na? Jimmy sauce with your away? Yes?
I want potatoes. No.
Oh, eat dinner first lagi.
No, I want some.
There you go, study.
Some.
Darcy, go. Daddy needs your help. Go. Daddy's cooking dinner. Paris is here to help Daddy. Daddy's cooking dinner now, guys. Having steak for tonight.
No.
What's this, Daddy?
Spinach, walnut, pumpkin, and egg salad.
Daddy yung gumawa niyan, guys. Kanina. Iba rin. Egg yung kauna na.
Celine, big girl.
I'm so.
Who's bigger, you or Celine?
I'm touch.
Touch. That's baby Celine.
Now your turn.
I know now, Bob, why it's making that smoke.
Oil?
All the oil. Needs to clean up. Needs to be clean. Yes! Yes! Are you having steak for dinner? Baby Celine?
That's Paris's pasta, isn't it? Ooh.
No, that's needles.
Noodles?
Put it in your ears. Right, put it in your ear. There it. Put it.
Someone's talking. Yeah, put it in your ear. Camera ka, di ka kagita na. Uy, where's you, anak? Can you hear? What can you hear?